Hey, FUB stars, doing a quick video today on open house sign-in forms that integrate with Follow Up Boss. Over here, I'm in Canva. I'm pretty sure they have a free version, but it's very inexpensive. You can easily create a flyer. If you just search QR flyer in the templates, you do QR flyers, but you can use any design. Once you have the design, you just click on QR code. You put your URL in here. So over here in interface, created an open house form, super simple, full name, email, phone number, how to hear about us, and what are you looking for in a home. This easily integrates with Follow Up Boss. It's set up pre-integrated. And so once you have the form set up, you can go back and this open house form, grab my link, copy link. Now I just go in here, put the link in, generate code, and just position it how I want it. Now when this QR code is scanned, it will redirect to a form they could fill out. And you can put your logo on this form and update the background to have whatever color you want. And then when it's submitted, filled out, it will generate a lead in Follow Up Boss. So quick and easy. Thanks, everyone.